Hello everyone, welcome to Ready Kitchens, a channel of easy recipe delicacies. If at all you are new in this channel, please consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always tuning into my videos. So thank you so much, and guys, today I'm back with this video, some breakfast idea. So keep tuned and let's cook together. Here I have my bamboo stick here. I have my breadcrumbs and I have 3 eggs. So this is what I'm going to do for this simple. It's very simple and very fast. So keep tuned. So guys, you can use this one as a bite or as an appetizer when you're making your recipe, or you can use them as for breakfast, as a breakfast tip. So these are these. So next, what I'll do, I will beat my eggs. Then add some salt. This is paprika. I will add it to the breadcrumbs. Placed my pan with oil ready to heat. So guys, these are my sausages. They are wrapped sausages. So breaded wrapped sausages. So keep tuned. So you'll take one. just round one. So we are going to cut them for the second time. So we'll start by doing this the same. You take like this, then we cut it once again for the second time so that they can come out when nicely and fluffy. So you see, so you can cut them as many times as you want, depending on how fluffy you want it to be. So you can see. You'll place them again for the second time. Thank you so much for viewing my video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please share this video as much as possible. Let's meet on another video. Bye-bye.